We're definitely going to want to draw a number line for this question going from $17 to $20, and we want to be organized, so we'll put Q on top of the 17 and P on top of the 20. Now we're told that twice as many Q units were sold as P units, so based on that the answer should be twice as close to Q as it is to P on the number line. So what does twice as close mean exactly? It's a ratio of 2 to 1 for a total of 3 ratio units. And if I split that total distance going from 17 to 20, if I split that into 3 equal distances, the correct answer should sit one of those distances from Q or 2 of those distances from P. Either way you look at it, we're landing right at $18, and that's the correct answer. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.